Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a ball joint on a Ford Fiesta. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands on a level surface. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Gather your tools, including a 13mm socket, a 17mm wrench, and a ball joint separator. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel before lifting the car, then remove the wheel completely. Now let's remove the old ball joint. Begin by taking out the pinch bolt or nut that holds the ball joint to the steering knuckle. This is often a 13mm or 15mm bolt. Next, use a ball joint separator tool to carefully pry the ball joint stud free from the knuckle. Be patient here, as it can sometimes be stubborn. Finally, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing the ball joint to the control arm, typically using a 17mm socket, and remove the old part. With the old ball joint removed, it's time to install the new one. First, clean any rust or debris from the mounting surfaces on both the control arm and the steering knuckle. This ensures a proper fit. Carefully position the new ball joint onto the control arm and loosely install its 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Next, guide the ball joint stud into the steering knuckle. Finally, insert and tighten the pinch bolt or nut that secures the ball joint to the knuckle, ensuring it is snug. To finish up, reinstall your wheel, tightening the lug nuts by hand before lowering the vehicle. Once on the ground, fully torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications, typically around 85 foot-pounds. It is absolutely critical to get a professional wheel alignment immediately after replacing a ball joint to prevent uneven tire wear and ensure safe driving. Finally, take a careful test drive to confirm everything feels correct and your steering is responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.